Hello, excuse me.
Yes,
I think I know you. Are you Dr. Rizwan?
yeah, but how do you know me?
You had served 2 years in the hospital which is in my village.
Which is your village?
Village Nur Muhammad Channa.
Oh, yeah, right. I had served there. Are you Mr. Tofik?
Exactly. I'm Tawfiq.
It's 10 years to leave your village, so I couldn't recognize you before. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good.
Where are you serving now?
I'm serving in Kharpur. What are you doing?
Same as before. I'm taking care of my crop in my village. You were here in Kashmir for visiting or you were serving here?
No, no, I'm here for just visiting. I'm on vacation for a month, so I thought I should have some enjoyment
You were here with your friends or with your family?
with my friends.
Where are they?
They are in hotel. I came here alone for meditation.
Oh, I think I disturbed you.
No, don't worry. I have completed my meditation. I was going back to the hotel. Tell me about your son, Faizan. He was very little and cute. What he is doing now?
He's studying in metric class.
MashaAllah. May God bless him. Okay, I have to go now.
Okay,
It was nice meeting you.
same to you.